Start. Sir, I am very grateful to the honorable members who have taken part in the discussion on the budget for the coming year. During the discussion in the past 5 days, many good and useful suggestions have been made from all sides of the house. I very much appreciate the keen interest taken by the members on the various problems faced by the people of this state and brought them to the notice of the government for necessary early action. Though it may not be possible for me to refer to each suggestion made by the members, I can assure them that all their suggestions have been duly recorded and they will receive the best attention of the concerned departments. The government know very well that opportunities for employment should be created in all the districts. With this object in view, the government have issued orders to the concerned authorities to encourage the starting of more and more industries in all the districts so that the people of all districts may get more jobs. The government agree with the views of some members that the case of the people living in villages deserve better treatment. It is true to some extent that they suffer very much during non-agricultural season. The government have prepared some schemes to help them. All these schemes will be introduced in a few months. I take this opportunity to request the members to inform the villagers about such schemes and ask them to take advantage of these schemes when they are introduced. We are sure that such schemes will greatly help them to earn additional income. The government have also schemes to provide necessary medical facilities to the people in the villages. At present, in many villages, for want of these facilities, they have to travel long distances to reach a good hospital. This causes much difficulty to them. With a view to remove such difficulties, the government have sanctioned the opening of a number of primary health centers in the villages. In this connection, I think it is my duty to make an appeal to the doctors to come forward in large numbers to go to the villages and serve the people there. The government will give such doctors all reasonable facilities. I hope that this appeal of mine will be responded and the villagers will have the benefit of good medical attention. Thank you. Letter from S. Raman, Advocate, Madurai to R. Balan, 4 Car Street, Palani. Sir, I am writing this letter to you on behalf of my client M. Velan, Jail Road, Madurai. You have borrowed a sum of rupees 2000 from my client 2 years ago to celebrate the marriage of your daughter. At the time you took the money, you have promised to repay it with interest in 3 months. In spite of many reminders to you by post and also many personal requests, you have not repaid the amount. My client has waited for a long time. He is now in urgent need of the money to meet the expenses connected with the construction of his house. Please take notice that if the sum of rupees 2000 with interest is not received within 7 days from the receipt of this communication, necessary legal action will be taken to recover the amount with interest and costs. Yours faithfully.